Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma, ryngkat Symbud Myntri Rangbah Bah khmih pohiing Bah Prestone Tynsong, sngi Palei iakynduh ya ulat ke Jylla CH Vijayashankar, ban Batai, halor ke jinglong jingman kasuk kasan ri-lum Garo, bat ke jingkulmar ke pynmih ya ke jingiakynad pher Jaidbynriew kine khyndiat sngi kiba leitnyo. Myntri Rangbah ulaong bagi jingkulmar rilum Garo kila nang duna kat banang yat kisngi. Bat kipat baru kila sedang benyok biang ya ke jingim kumba julong. Ulaong ke sorkar kadang ngor bha ban tiak lakam ya ki ban pynmih ya ke jingkulmar. Uang bagi jingjia ba pentut ya ke suk kasan kidang donhi hindri kini ki jingjia kide ki bajia tingkat lanu
For most of the last 2 weeks, I was in Garo Hills. And as we are all aware that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened and which required my full attention. So I was there in Garo Hills. And all this while, I was only able to communicate with the Honorable Governor on the phone. And therefore, I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also, the different incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So, a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor, and that was my basic purpose of visit. Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was, of course, much more aware about what happened, and so the briefing was basically just as I said, a briefing on the law and the situation. Regarding the arrest, see, we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a better position to reply to that, the different SPs. But those details are not with me. In terms of the violence and the different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation. Okay.